Greetings, everybody. We're back again. This is Mzansi Football. We're back. We're analyzing the football. Yeah, this is Losh, our presenter of the day. And then I'm here with
Ramza.
Ramza the Ramza.
Yeah,
Skip on, Bram.
Angimnando na.
I'm Yeah, Bram, we're back. 10 May, Nedbank Cup final. Soweto Derby, Kaizer Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates. Then, what do you say, man? We won a game.
Yazi nawe it happen mfethu.
Yeah.
Akusiyona igame mhlawumbe ongavele nje uyipredict easy. Because ama player azoyimotivate wona igame enkulu kuzobe kuphuma abantu bezobabuka amajiji ukuthi adlala kanjani ekwadonya ekwadetemba. Yeah, bazobabuka amajiji ukuthi adlala kanjani. Zwile nenkinga ukuthi amathikithi awatholakali.
Sure.
So igame ise Natal.
Sure.
Yeah, ngazi zokwenzala. Sure.
So Bram, Orlando Pirates back-to-back wins. So to dive and then came Arrows confidence. I'm a play wheel after they've been knocked by Pyramids and then they also lost from Skukune, Orlando. And then we won a Pirates going to this final.
Yeah, Pirates majita anas spirit. So asayindlulisile lose from ICAF. So
sure.
Ayakhombisa manje ukuthi ekuse ifocus ibuyile babheke phambili. Mangiza kwi side le Chiefs.
Sure. And then Kaizer Chiefs the Bobby Yagu lose so to Derby and then abana consistency then this week vela abadlala ngegame. So motivation ama player uyibuyisa kanjani siya ku Nedbank Cup final uyibona kanjani?
Yeah, baluzile against Orlando Pirates bekuyi derby nawo leyo.
Yeah.
Kodwa I think ama player amaningi bebewa restisile bawabeka eceleni njengo Miguel bebengekho bekhona ebenchini but abadlala. Yeah, kwaphuma ne red card yonke into leyo. So iChiefs I think ifocus yayo vele ibisi kwi final ye Nedbank. Le game ye league ifikile just because ifixture vele sifikile ukuthi okay abahambe odlala ne Orlando Pirates but ubonile ukuthi thoroughly planning yeah bebe ngenayo kahle so kule game le esiya kuyo hayi kuzoshuba mfowethu kuzobe khona oduba lapha kuzobe khona oduba omsimango bazobe khona Miguel bazobe khona umduda uzombona ngalelo langa lelo game izoba mnandi talent embatha ukhona I like energy ya talent embatha talent embatha simbonile kwi game ye Chiefs against the Chiefs lamjetha lo energy
espana
uthatha ibhola athi ushaya ipass ayiluza ayimark same time sure okhombisa ukuthi player spirit unazo so iPirates angeke ngikhulume ngayo kakhulu i-team ehlangene
sure
yabo sure
so Kaizer Chiefs like ama player motivation sibuyisa kanjani ukuthi ebafethu phela manje sibuya ku lose kulabantu futhi sohlangana nabo futhi cup final thina sama players sithini ngabo coach ubatshelani something ukuthi bafethu phela isayinile lento le silanda 10 years without a trophy and nayi chance manje izile ukuthi sifike ku final.
Yeah, Mnabis bambiza Mnabis. Nabi coach Nabi ucoach Nabi I think umsebenzi wakhe awumkhulu kakhulu ukuthi amajithe watshele ukuthi aqedwe i-drought from kwi club.
Sure.
Sekuno 10 years inengane izaliwe manje ingenile esikoleni akaze ibone iChiefs lift something so kwamele leyo cycle le ye-drought iphele sure. Mhlawumbe ukukhuluma nawo ama player ukuthi ekuse asiyeni laphana kodwa ke ngeke kuze kube okuningi kakhulu because idabi mfowethu ubani nobani ufuna ukuyimisela akhombise something ukuthi ekuse ukhona. Sure.
So Orlando Pirates keep kanjani momentum ukuthi bafethu nayi chance manje so yenze history manje the first team to win the Nedbank Cup 3 times in a row, treble winners of Nedbank Cup. Sitshela kanjani manje ukuthi bafethu hayi siyayibreaka le history ubona kanjani bayilanda kanjani le game Jose Rivero utshela amajidi ukuthi bafethu sibamba kanjani ukuchubeka phambili sibe ku back to back wins manje.
Remember coach Swedi in Espanyol Spanish guitar uyahamba umjidi. I think ama players ofuna ukuthi mfethu athi goodbye coach.
Sure.
So laphana makumele umuntu efele egroundini efele egroundini basho njalo uMbokazi bathi ufele egroundini
Sure.
Sibisi uzobe khona egemini ubuyile uback uzobe back iambendi kuye so ispirit ngikhuluma ngamajet afaka ispirit kwamanye ama players yabo iplayer beyitshela uJackson senza kanjani so
phela asimelanga sikhohlwe Karen Kimvuyile is back kule game confidence yakhe buyile against eRussia khombisa or coach ayiphela ngifuna ukudlala final
ayikuzosho ayikuzosho angifuni lokho ngifuna ukukhuluma into eziningi sesiyobona igame mayisidlala
okay so Pram Nedbank Cup final Kaizer Chiefs vs Orlando Pirates kuwina iphi team
ngihamba neOrlando Pirates yiye ngibona ukuthi izowin
score prediction
1-0 late.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. This is Mzansi Football and then we're analyzing the games for you. Danko.